Good day everyone. What I have learned in computer networking. Computer networking is important as it allows multiple computers to connect with each other to share information and files. I learned how computer networking works and the different structures and functions, and also about the security and its importance in computer networks. On the basic concepts of networking and local area networks, I learned also the key devices found on local area networks such as hubs, switches, and routers, and how of these devices functions to allow for effective and efficient communication on the local area network. The functions of IP addresses and how they are broken down into the network ID and host ID components. This course will also cover the main network topologies, including star, bus, and ring, and also their functions. Another one is all about the Ethernet, the most widely installed local area network technology, and the devices on an Ethernet network communicate with each other using frames. Covered the 7 layers of the OSI model, and I learned how data is passed through them to allow two devices to communicate with each other. The TCP model, and I learned about the similarities and differences between the OSI model and the TCP model in terms of their structure and functions. Everybody uses computer networking for educational, business, or leisure purposes. However, not everyone understands what it is even mean, how it functions, and what it does. And then, at last, the wired and wireless networks and protocols introduces the step-by-step manner to the structure and functions of wired and wireless networks and protocols. The cabling system for wired networks, in particular, the twisted pair cable and the cable speeds and types. About the tools needed when making the connection between the patch panels and RJ45 jacks. I learned also about the structure of Internet Protocol addresses in detail, including IP ranges and their classes. We also compare and contrast the structure and functions of IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. The subject of networking is difficult to understand because we are not in the actual school. But it is still exciting because our teacher, Mr. Mark Dacapia, is good at teaching. And those are just some of the things I learned. Thank you for watching.